morning, everybody. We're on our way to Los Penasquitos. This is another hike that we're gonna do. It's a little bit more south from where we were the last time, in San Diego County still. It's a nice little hike from what we've heard. We haven't done it before either. One of the sights to see would be Waterfall, and hopefully that's still going on right now so we can get a glimpse of it. So we're on our way to our exit now, and we'll see you guys in a little while. We're here at the Los Penasquitos Trail. We got our favorite hike partners, Chito over there, and Liz in the front with Mila. And we seem to always find a little friend that's in need of a help. Right here we got ourselves a little snail trying to cross the road. Alright, little snail, be careful, you got a long way to go. See that? Ooh. Okay, we'll see you later. And that looks like his buddy there that just made it. Alright, your friend's crossing the trail too. We'll see you in a little while. So we're here kind of early and we've already ran into quite a few people. It is Saturday though, so that's probably why we've been running into a lot of people. And there's the rest of the crew right there. There's Liz, there's Chito. So folks, you had brought up a good point. There is mountain biking allowed here, but it seems like it can only be on this main trail. On some of these side trails right here. I'm actually going to go in this one and take a look. Looks like there's a little creek here. So on these side trails right here, wow, look at that. Yeah, so in these little trails right here, no mountain biking is allowed. Just hikers. So part of the one of the nice things about this trail is that it has a creek running alongside of it, as you just saw there. Here's another interesting route, folks. Looks like there's a little grave area right here. Let's go check it out. This area before was all untamed, and when people came to settle, this is all they had, so they would go around and they would just you know, use this. It wasn't a designated park area or anything. So this is the grave of John J. Ecker. So again folks, we're here in the trail, the main path. One thing to note, we have been running into a lot of folks here with their pets. Just please keep in mind that you always have to pick up after your pets. As you can see, this trail is heavily used, so just be cognizant of that. And please clean up after your pets. A little bit of a change of terrain here. This is the first time we've seen a little bit of a rocky, stony terrain in the path. So up until now it's just been dirt. Ran into some wildlife. There's a deer. Check that out. Looks like a pretty big guy too. We still got another 1.8 miles to go. And we kind of broke out of the foresty area, the tree wooded area, into this nice wide open meadow. I don't know if you can see the folks over there on the other trail. There are side trails that are smaller away from this main trail. Carsons Crossing. It's another trail crossing. We're almost there, folks. 0.8 more miles. And it looks like the waterfall is over there by those boulders, that area. So we're almost there. We're on our way. Came from here, just a little bit of an incline. Like with most parks that we've been in, there's always some project going on to revitalize the plants in the areas. And up here we are. This crossroad right here, the waterfall. Here we are, folks, entering the path, the entrance to the waterfall. And looks like it's really just for hikers. They're not allowing mountain bikes in here. Looks like there's a lot of people here taking in the sights. You can hear the waterfall. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. A lot of picture taking opportunities. So if you do go down here, watch your footing. It's very uneven, and there's some places that are really smooth, so that they're actually kind of slippery. You can see some of the brave folks over there trying to make their way across. You can see navigating this is not as easy as it looks. As you can see down here, there's a lot of algae from the water, so you really got to watch your step here. So the actual waterfall is right there. This kind of goes down. So down in that area right there is where we were just at. And as I had mentioned, the waterfall, it's kind of hidden. It's right behind these rocks. And then it goes down into this little pool area. So some folks just told me there's a trail here, kind of goes up a little bit more, and you get into this rock right here. Oh boy. Okay. Oh yeah, that gave me just enough of an angle to show you guys that little waterfall. There it is, folks. And then that area right there where those people are, those were where we were at, standing on the rocks. And we're back out. Now folks, here we are. We're back. Los Penasquitos trail hike. And keep in mind that we actually didn't do the whole hike. We just did a small portion of it from Black Mountain Road up to the waterfall. The 2.8 hike that we did each way is not the full hike. Well folks, that's it. Penasquitos Preserve hike along the creek to the waterfall and back. It was actually longer than we thought, and it's a little bit more exhausting than we thought. The dirt road had a lot of loose gravel, which kind of took a lot of energy to do. So anyway folks, that's it for this one. Again, if you like the video, give it a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so we can keep giving you guys videos like this. And that's it for Los Penasquitos hike. Marcel, Mila's already resting over there. Chito and Liz, our trail partners. Right there. We'll see you guys later.